they just walk in and they want a boat and they met with the salesperson, and, hey, they want to get on the water right away, then I can do paperwork pretty quickly.
Hey guys, Captain Keith here, MarineMax in Clearwater. Got Al Casella back here with me today, business manager here at the Clearwater store. Talking about the process of going through this. Mm-hmm. So when I go and buy my trucks or whatever, I go to a car dealership.
Sure.
It's like in my brain, I think I know what I'm gonna go get. I know the truck I want to go in and buy it. But it ends up, you're there for hours and hours and hours. It almost seems like you spend the whole day there, right?
Yeah.
That's why they're building these nice, great big lounges so you can go and sit down and have a cocktail and watch TV or whatever. You know?
Yeah, I know the feeling.
But what's the process look like here at MarineMax Clearwater or MarineMax dealerships throughout the country?
So, Keith, great question, by the way. I pride myself in trying to get the customer out of our showroom as quick as possible with either preparation beforehand, or if they just walk in and they want a boat and they met with the salesperson, and, hey, they want to get on the water right away, then I can do paperwork pretty quickly. It would require a customer, perhaps if they're paying cash for the boat, right, they'd have to go to the bank and wire me the funds, but I could get my paperwork and they could, goodbye, they could take the boat and sign and go, sign and drive pretty quickly. The same thing if they're financing, right? If they're financing, I could get an approval pretty quick. I'll get an insurance quote for the customer pretty quick. We'll get that all taken care of, and same process, and they can get out on the water. Now, the financing part may take a little bit longer, right? Because I have to submit it to the bank, but I can guarantee you we are way quicker here at MarineMax than a car dealership, that's for sure.
Well, and then also too, just on the delivery part of it and tying in the service part of it, a lot of these boats, you guys are gonna know, you're gonna wanna add something to a boat. You might want a trolling motor or a power pole or different electronics and stuff like that. And that takes time. We got to order the parts and get stuff in. And, we're going to have the boats, detailed. They may want vantage protection put on the boat.
Sure.
That type of stuff. So that's why with these guys, get you financed and get all that stuff squared away. They'll set a delivery date so that everybody's on board. Everything's going to be done on time. And then you come in and then everything on your boat's set and you're ready to go. And then it's just matter of you take the boat home by water, we put it on a trailer, or wherever we deliver it.
Right.
So
so we could we could do the boat really quick, right? But again, that's not our normal process, right? So we rather give time to add these items that you just spoke of, and do the process right and make it a great experience for the customer when they get on the water.
100%. Have the boat 100%, everything ready, so we're not chasing things down, and you guys are all set and ready to go when you take delivery of your boat.
That's absolutely right.
So, thanks for watching, y'all, and once again, really appreciate it. Drop some comments down and below. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that kind of stuff. You know the deal. So, thanks again. We'll see y'all out on the water.